Okay, now step number 2 is to create the asset master. So before you do asset acquisition or purchase, we should have asset master in place, similar to like other some modules AR and AP. First we need to have GL account in place. Vendor master, customer master also has to be created already. Then only we can do the any business transactions. So same thing we are going to do here. Save the change. Now let's create asset master. AS01, AS02 and AS03. These are the T codes. 1 is being for creation, 2 is for change, 3 is for display. So go to AS01. Okay, here we need to give the asset class. Let me try to select based on company code. Okay, this is the one. And then company code has also come automatically. That's all, you give this much and press on enter. Okay, here say for example, this is the asset. Now, okay, here if you see account determination, this says derived automatically from the asset class. And what do we have? Why it is important, account determination key? Because we have linked the GL masters, GL accounts in this account determination key in A090, right? Remember here this one, integration with GL accounts, assign GL accounts.
Right. Against that account determination, yes.
Here. And this account determination we have, where we have given in the activities. In the asset class. Not here. Where is asset class? It's here, I think. Right, in the asset class, define asset class RN0101. If you see, we have given account determination, right? RN0101. And against this account determination, we have updated GL accounts. For different asset transactions, system will automatically pick up the GL accounts from there. And that is also updated in your asset master here. Okay, this is the minimum information you need to give. Further, if you want to give some more details about this asset, you can write it down here. And if there is any inventory number, quantity, all those things you want to update, okay, that you can do. Now, capitalized on this field will be updated automatically when you do the purchase. Purchase means nothing but the capitalization, but that doesn't mean that this is the depreciation start date. Okay, so depreciation start date is something different that we will find somewhere here. Okay, now cost center is a mandatory field here. Okay, now see problem here. Okay, so before creating the asset master, I have just decancelled that. We have few more settings, so let us see that. This one, determine depreciation area in asset class. So Okay, select this one. Okay, so execute this one, and so basically we are going to make a default value per asset class for the depreciation keys. So if you create any asset master under so and so asset class, then certain values should be automatically updated in your asset master, like the depreciation keys. So RN0101, this is asset class. I'll select this and go to depreciation areas. So now you see this depreciation key was populated there, right? Just now we saw there automatically. Yeah, I don't know how this has got copied, maybe from some other settings. Okay, but we want to update manually here. And if you see, other areas are deactivated by default, so we want to activate all the areas. All the areas means, okay, press enter, and now if you see, this is the real depreciation area, you can activate, deactivate. Area 1 also real depreciation area. Real plus it posts, right? This is going to post in the general ledger accounting.
Yes.
So you can select this. These are the copies, so no need to activate, deactivate. If you activate this one, these are just going to take the reference of 01 only. Okay, so you don't have to give anything here. Now, okay, for area 1, which is IFRS, what is the depreciation key is RN11, right? RN11.
Mm.
So I will say RN11. Useful life, it doesn't make any sense when you're set fixed percentage, but still we can, as per the percentage, we can give like 50% means 2 years. And if you have some period also, like 2 years 5 months, so you can mention here 5 months. I will remove this. I think this should get updated automatically. This is RN12. This is RN13. Press enter. Okay, now you have to update it manually. Okay. To here. This is 25%, so 4 year, and this is 20%, so this is 5 years.
That local gap USD becomes 5. It should be
4. These got updated automatically, these are not. Let it be like this, we will see. Okay, then we have something called layout, screen layout. We have created one, right, for us.
yes. That controls
Okay.
that does not.
So let us check that screen layout. Master data, I think. This one. So here is the screen layout. Define screen layout for asset master data. Define screen layout for depreciation areas. Okay, these two are the main one. Useful. So let us see for the master data. Define screen layout. We don't have to define. I think we had already defined. So okay, what was that? Something should be starting with RN.
RN R001.
Okay, R001. Right. See. Okay. So this is the code we have defined there. Now we are going to do further setting in this. So click on logical fields. And now these are the fields or group of fields in the asset master. Like if you go inside the general data, like description should be required, right? This is the field status, how you control the fields in the asset master record. Okay, those things you can control here. Optional display. Okay, so now see, for example, locations. Not allocation, time dependent, I think. Here you see cost entry is a required entry, right? There you saw in the fixed asset screen.
Yes.
Shows required. So all these are controlled from here. So many other options are there. Okay, RN01001. Now create a screen layout rule for asset master record. Okay, let us see what is there in this. Oh no, this is the same thing only, I think. RN01 should appear here. No.
R001.
R001. Correct. This is the same only which we have done long before. Now screen for creating multiple assets. Oh, I think this is not useful. Okay, now screen layout for the depreciation areas. But mostly, 1000 will be used. Okay. For depreciation, okay. For depreciation areas. Yeah. So basically, we have screen layout for asset master data. Apart from asset master data, except the depreciation tab, we have separate many tabs over there in the asset master. One of them is for the depreciation. So for example, S01. These many tabs are there. So the one which we just saw, like this one, first one, asset master data. This is applicable for all these tabs except depreciation area tab. And this other one, screen layout for asset depreciation area, this is applicable only for this one. Okay.
Yes.
Now you see there's a problem. Depreciation keys are not coming here, so we need to modify this again. Yeah, depreciation key should come here. For others it is coming, so why not for this? So we will see. Okay, so for depreciation layout, this is the standard one, and mostly this will only be used. 1000. Select this, and here you can see depreciation key is a mandatory field. So if you remove this, you want to say, see, this is the mandatory field, depreciation key. Okay, so like this. So as default, we are going to use this, but if required, you can change it. So now let me make a change here. Determine depreciation area in asset class. I want to.
Do we need to define the screen layout for asset depreciation area also?
No, we don't. That's what I said. Mostly we use the 1000 default one. There's no point just duplicating this. 1000 is more than enough.
Okay.
Okay, so let me see this. Now I will activate, deactivate. Okay, press enter. I will give this description. Cost center, wherein you have segments. Tell me which one. 13, 10, 14, which one? Where you have segment also.
You can choose anyone from 9, 10, 13, 14.
Okay, so let's just choose 10. Okay, then allocations. So here, some organizations will have some different kind of information they want to store in the evaluation group fields. So that is nothing but here if you see, I just saved this come out. Master, yeah, this one, user fields. So you see define 4-character evaluation, 8 characters like this. So those you can choose from here. If you see here in the one, we have to something custom, like as per their business requirements they can define some values which they can define in these 4 fields. So if you see the 4-character, these are the values. Okay, the 4-character. So where is this value? These are the one, right? Then go to origin. Origin is like once you post a acquisition document or purchase document, that vendor would be updated here automatically. And other types we don't use. Now go to depreciation here. Okay, so now the start date we will see. Now it is blank. This, I think this will get updated once you do the acquisition posting, and you may further change also this one. But this capitalized on you can't change. That would be your purchase date only. Okay, so now I can see depreciation keys are updated, right? Everywhere. It's not blank, right? Do you see?
Yes.
So it's fine. So let me save this asset master. So I have created this asset master. Let's display. This is our asset master. Okay, so asset master we have created. Now we need to do asset acquisition, means asset purchase we are going to do. We do asset purchase is using T code F-90.